Hey guys, I'm showing you this Rizvo electric salt and pepper grinder set of two automatic and rechargeable. So they are LED light, stainless steel with one hand operation, refillable gravity salt and pepper grinder set. So I will show you this and that's how this work, so that you can decide if it work for you or not. And these are the things that comes with the box. So there's a manual, the brush and the spoon, the charging cable and the two grinders. So the operation is pretty straightforward that you can see, and you can have a look. This is a USB-C charging, so pretty good because everything is moving to USB-C charging right now. So this is pretty good, and this is the brush to clean and the spoon for the filling up. The quality wise, this looks really nice. The stainless steel, the glass looks very professional. And for charging we can just use this USB-C, and you can see the indicator start indicating like the light that shows that it's charging right now. Now for the filling up, there is a lock button thing. You can just rotate it and then this will open up. For the coarseness, you can set it from here. I'm just filling in some of this black pepper, so I can show you the demo. So I'm just filling some of it, and you can see this is the solid round balls, small balls. And so I just locked that one and set the coarseness from the bottom. This is the button. So I'm just pressing the button, and you can see that this is start grinding based on the coarseness. So this is nice that you can see that it's properly working, and see this grinded this to a coarseness of the powder that we set. So this is this and this become this. So it's pretty nice, fast and good grinding thing. And you can see, so you can clean up it like after use or totally up to you, but I'm just showing you the use of the accessories they provided. So cleaning is easy as well, and just cover it up and you are good to go. So two sets you can use it, and rechargeable, so good to have on your dining table or anything that you want to. So hope you like this one.